friends, welcome back. Today I'm so excited to show you these beautiful Japanese knives from Korin Knives NY. And I'm also happy to share that I've become an ambassador for Korin, so I'll be bringing you more about their amazing Japanese knives and tableware in the future videos. So stay tuned. Today I'll be introducing you to Gyuto, which is called chef's knife in English. It's the perfect knife for anyone who loves cooking and want to try to all kinds of dishes, or serious cooks who are really picky about their tools. I'm sure that sounds just like all of you watching this channel. It's also an incredibly versatile knife for almost any ingredients. From vegetables to fish and even delicate herbs, the Gyuto is the all-purpose tool for both home cooks and professional chefs. Thanks again to Saori-san from Korin Knives NY for providing this amazing knife. Korin is known for their high-quality Japanese knives, and no wonder Michelin-star chefs from all over the world uses their knives. One special thing about Japanese knife is the sharp, single-edged blade. This design has deep-rooted in Japanese cuisine and history. In traditional Japanese cooking, the goal is to highlight the natural flavors of fresh, seasonal ingredients, so having a sharp knife is really important to make that happen. Using a sharp knife doesn't just make your food look nicer, but it actually affects the taste too. Take the shredded cabbage, for example. We serve it with so many dishes, but if you cut with that dull knife, it can ruin the texture and make it look unappetizing. And you know how the ripe tomato can get crushed when you try to cut it? With this knife, it slices through perfectly with no problem. Another big benefit of a sharp knife is how much easier it is for someone like me, who doesn't have a lot of strength, to cut through the firm ingredients like pumpkins. And this knife is actually pretty easy to maintain. My friend, who's a sushi chef, sharpens his knife every day. However, for a home cook like us, 2 or 3 times a month should be okay. I use a whetstone to keep mine sharp. If you want to learn how to sharpen your knife, check out Vincent's detailed tutorial on Korin's YouTube channel. It's super helpful. And if you live near Korin in New York, you can even bring your knife in and they'll sharpen it for you. Like any good tool, your knife needs the right care. Make sure to always hand wash and dry it right away to avoid rusting. With a little attention, this knife can last you a lifetime. One of the best things about these knives is that they are affordable. You can check out Korin's website using the link in the description. And if you're ever in New York, I really recommend visiting their store. Happy cooking with the Korin knives! Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!